Hey there, Matt Petrowski here from FileMakerMagazine.com. I wanted to give you a quick tip, something that I thought might help other people who are interested in this process of using FileMaker's help. Now, one of the things that I do is there are times where I need to go into the help, and of course you can access that directly within the application. On the Mac, things are a little slow. The help viewer takes a while to load, and so I really don't like that. So I want to show you how I get to my help. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to type T, I'm going to type in actually FM help. And I'll explain what I've done here. I'm going to then type F, which is going to allow me to hit different items. You can see on screen that those numbers pop up. Now, the way that I'm doing this is with it's an extension for Firefox called Vimperator. There is also one for Chrome called Vimium, and you also can find one for Safari. So no matter what browser you're using, there is a way to access this information. Now, the first thing you should pay attention to is the fact that as I zoom in right here, look at the fact that I'm pointing to a file, not anything on the web. So what I've done is I've given myself a web browser shortcut link to the internal help in FileMaker, knowing that the browser is going to be able to point to it faster. The shortcut that I assigned to that was FM help. So you can usually access that within the bar. That's what I typed first, FM help. Now, as soon as I type that shortcut, what happens is it uses my shortcut to point to the local file, which is the help that's embedded within the internal contents of the FileMaker Pro application. You can see right there it's going to Applications, FileMaker Pro 11 Advanced, FileMaker Pro Advanced, Contents, Resources, English all the way down. In fact, we can take a look at where this is. It's stored within the English.lproj subfolder, FileMaker help, and then index.html. Now from here, it's the Vimium application, or that's on Chrome. It's Vimperator on Mac that allows me to use the F key, which brings up hints. And basically all it does is all links get some type of numerical value, or you can start to type. So I can start to type reference, and it'll go right to it. If I type F and type ERR, it's going to hit error codes and jump me right to that. Now I can jump back. I can also go to the functions by typing FU, and it takes me to the functions, and I can now type GET to type to the get. Now, once I'm in this window, if I want to find something that I remember vaguely what it deals with, for example, is it system version, system platform, I can find something, and I typed the slash key. That's the one right below the question mark. And what I can do is I can type platform, and it's going to jump right to it. Now when I hit that, it selects the link, and then I can just hit it, and now I can scroll down and get access to my information really easy. So as you can see, all I have to do is type FM help, and then type F, and then type reference, and then go to whatever I want and do this much quicker than I can in the native FileMaker application. Plus it allows me to take advantage of this really cool shortcut key command type Vimperator. It's basically all it is where you map keys to do things within the browser, which is similar to a text editor called way back when VI, which the more current version is Vim. So hopefully this is helpful. It allows me to get very quick access. I almost always have a browser open. You probably do too. I just Command Tab switch to it. Never really use the internal FileMaker help. I just do it this way because it's much faster to get to. Hope you like it and enjoy.